on TikTok, I found a beautiful beach that people didn't actually think was the UK, and it's called Llanddwyn, and it's on the southwestern tip of Anglesea Island, which is just off of the coast of Wales. So the beach includes a narrow peninsula which is known as Llanddwyn Island, which juts out into the Irish Sea, and it gets cut off at certain tides. So we're approaching the bridge and we've got a little bit of traffic, which looks on the map looks like that's quite a normal thing, probably that happens. Going over the Britannia Bridge, not the Menai Bridge, so I'm hoping that's a good choice. I'm sure it is, isn't it? Hopefully. So we are approaching the bridge. Yep, the Britannia Bridge, going over the Menai Strait, over to the Isle of Anglesea, where I've never been, Jasmine. You're experiencing this with me for the first time. That was easy, wasn't it, my love? You okay? What are you looking at?
I'll see you on the other bridge.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is the good one. Good choice, me. Carry on straight. What the hell? Have we come the wrong way? I think we might have come the wrong way. Okay, what does it say? Kiosk closed. We're going through, I think it reads your number plate. So we're going down through this lovely forest. It's very nice, but this is not what we was expecting. And I'm thinking at the end of this is a beach and a lighthouse and all of that. So we've got to pay for parking.
Wasn't hard to tell that your eyes were following me. It was like we were under a spell, and anyone could see. We had to say goodbye before we had a chance to see what we held in our hands, what it could have been.
So now we've arrived and it's lovely, although it's very, very floody in places. Gorgeous. All right, we was waiting for the rain to stop and it hasn't. So we are going to brave it. We've got the, you know, the Welsh coat on, but this place looks so lovely. I'm so impressed. Got very wet hair, very flat fringe. So lovely. So we're going to have a wander to see the beach, which is over here somewhere, and hopefully the lighthouse as well. Come on, come with us. We just found out that the island can be cut off 2 hours, so you have to leave 2 hours before. So it's at 9 o'clock, Jazz, 9 p.m. So I don't really know how far we've got here, but we're just going to go see the beach. I mean, it's raining anyway, so see the beach and see how we get on. Yeah, because it's so pretty. Really like this. Is definitely a bit of me.
I'm not even gonna pretend I didn't try to slow you down.
So the lighthouse we wanted to go to is out there, and that does seem quite far. I don't know if I'm going to be quite up for walking that far. What do you think?
No, I mean, if they've said on the thing it's a 3-hour walk.
Oh, did they? Oh, these dogs are loving their lives. But this is so stunning. Oh, definitely come here. Even with the dark clouds, isn't it gorgeous?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Beautiful. So we are having a bit of a debate at the minute on whether we try to get to the... protect the camera.
Oh gosh, my hair is all over the place.
Yeah, I know, it's been raining. So whether we try and get to the end of that there where the lighthouse is, because especially as there's going to be a high tide, and look at the sky behind us, pretty black. It's pretty black. So I mean, I feel happy that we've seen this.
Stunning, yeah.
To walk that far is difficult anyway, let alone if it's going to be cut off, and I might panic about that and stuff. Plus, if we get caught in that rain, because that is proper black sky, look at that. I just feel so glad that we've come and seen this. It's just stunning. I don't know if you ever quite pick it up on the camera how lovely it is. Instagram heaven, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really cute.
To postpone the end. Hey, you sent me a text saying, wish things were differently, but I'm already with someone.
We've got some really different things around this place than we usually see. I am fairly sure that there is sea kale, although I don't know actually, Jasmine. It might be a bit spiky for that. But if it is sea kale, I think you can cook that and eat it, but I wouldn't like to tell you to cook and eat that because I'm not really sure. And these bits, they kind of look like wheat, but I don't know if they are. So over there is the Snowdon mountain range, which is beautiful to see from here. I think the sky's just cleared a little bit so we can see it. But we've made the decision that we're going to go back because of that is clearly rain coming down over there. But yeah, definitely stick this on your list of places to go, guys, for sure. 100%. So today we're eating like a normal person, aren't we, Jasmine?
Yep.
Jasmine's bought me a lovely dinner, thank you. And we've got a really nice view outside. Look at that sky tonight. So gorgeous, really lovely. So we're going to enjoy this. Look what's behind us. We've got, well, I've certainly got hair that's been rained on all day.
I have, it is a bit fluffy. It's not as curly as it was this morning either.
But the sun's come out. Jasmine's just bought me a lovely dinner, thank you very much.
You're welcome. It was
Really,
nice.
was really nice.
She's got a little horse box window out of their caravan.
Oh yeah, look, she's feeding the seagulls. And
that.
so we just pop into Morrison's. Oh, can we go around this way? Oh, I don't know if we can.
Look
go up,
that.
Got to go up loads more stairs. Oh, and there's another black cloud up there though. But yeah, we're just coming for some snacks. We've eaten so much today. I've eaten like a proper person, like 3 meals and...
We got snacks though.
We don't snack, but we will.
We will.
And we're probably going to have a nice bubble bath. Maybe either do some editing tonight or watch some YouTube.
Yeah, there's some videos that have been uploaded that look good. Oh yeah, of course it was Sunday yesterday.
Oh, I've lost track of days
I'm
massively.
so confused. It feels like it's the weekend.
Look at
Today feels like a Sunday.
behind us. Feels like a Sunday. What does a Sunday feel like? Yeah, it does. So we're going home tomorrow, but not till we've done some more exploring tomorrow in lovely Wales.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's lush. Oh, sunshine, look. Woohoo. Oh, I do love the way that everything's written in Welsh. And isn't it so Welsh here?
Very Welsh. There's a lot of people speaking in the Welsh language.
Lots of people speaking Welsh. And yeah, we like that. Just in keeping with the theory, I thought I'd show you these. And Jasmine said quite rightly, like a mixture between a scone and a pancake. But they're not gluten-free, so how is she not freezing cold? We're in hoodies. It's very cold in here. So we found the free from section, which is amazing, and we got some snacks from the free from section. Got little toffee cakes, which is nice. And I just wanted to point this out. Look. Aren't they great words? Great words. Well, after baths and hair washes, I've just come to open the window to get some fresh air and look at the beautiful sky we're graced with. And I just went, oh, Jasmine, and straight away she went, is it a pretty sunset? I'm like, yeah, gorgeous, look at that. Good morning again from lovely Wales. Where are we? Northwest of Wales. It isn't raining right now, but the sky does look a little bit dark, but we've got a really nice day planned today. So we are going home today, but before we do that, we're going to go for a lovely breakfast like we had yesterday, because I really enjoyed that. So did Jasmine, didn't you?
Yeah.
And then we are going to go via where we used to stay in the little house. We're going to see if we can walk it, if it's dry, put the wellies on, go through the forest that's right near there. There was a little area that Nathan and I found before that Jasmine hasn't seen, and there's like a brook and all of that. It's so pretty. So we're going to have a little look for that and see if we can see the old house. And I'm going to show you some footage from back then, which I will insert, so you can see the house where we lived for that period of time. Harley, Mum, the kids when they were littler, and yeah, it's going to be really cute. So, but we're going to go for breakfast, and then we're going to pack up and get out of here and drive there, because it's kind of on the way home. It's about an hour and a half east, and then we're going to go home from there. And yeah, so it's going to be lovely. Make sure you come with us. There's loads to show you. Okay, so it's breakfast time again, and we loved this yesterday, didn't we, Jazz?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Look at her this morning, so we're going to have that again. And this lady wrote this down. I'm going to try and write something, find something about it and blog it. Because the place that we went to yesterday, apparently there's a whole story to it to do with Valentine's, and I think it sounds interesting, but I'm going to tuck into this now. Okay. I've recovered from eating breakfast, because that takes a little bit doing with me sometimes. And we are now packing up to leave, which is a shame, but it's been a lovely stay. I will link this Premier Inn below if you wanted to stay in Carnarvon to see the castle and things like that. It's a really good location. So yeah, there'll be a link down there if you wanted to find out where this was. And we are going to head now to Ruthin, near that area in Denbighshire, which is more a bit the other side of Snowdon. So we are on the west coast of Snowdon right now, about as far west as you can go with Wales, and then we're going back inland a little bit. So I'm really excited for that walk. I don't feel brilliant, so hopefully I can do this okay. Jazz has just gone down to get a cup from the car so we can take a little hot drink with us, and yeah, I'm excited now.
Is in a stream, the ocean called for you and me. Still, I'm in this game.
Okay, we are coming through Betsy Coed now, and Betsy Coed is one of the prettiest places in North Wales that's to drive through. Oh, it looks so lovely, Jazz. I think there's, oh, it's busy today. Instagram versus reality. But it's right on the water, as you can see there, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Lovely Royal Oak Hotel, looks so gorgeous. There we go, there's the water. Quick snippet for you down there. And then how lovely is that? Let's see people playing games for the summer. Lovely church. Really nice pub and stuff over there. Really lovely, isn't it, Jazz?
Really nice.
And I think these buildings are all made out of Welsh slate, I believe. Looks like. I might be wrong, and if you know I'm wrong, please do write in the comments and let us know what that actually is. Yeah, so that's Betsy Coed. Siri has a difficult time saying it. What does he call it? Bittersweet Coed or something?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So we're coming out the other side. We're on the A5 going into the A470. So pretty. If you see the trees up on the mountains, it reminds me, those trees remind me a little bit of Scotland, Jazz, do you?
Yeah, they do.
Gorgeous.
Dreams turns into ashes, but here you are still in my arms. It's shining through.
Hey, this forest that you can see is called and it's very famous for a big race. I'm not sure if it's bikes or cars, I'm not too sure, but this is near Melanie Wig, which is where we normally stay, and we're going to turn off in a minute and we're going to go and explore this forest and taking you with us because it is super beautiful. So we are here and listen to how peaceful it is. I can hear water running over there, the wellies are going on. Oh, it's just so beautiful. This is my idea of absolute, and the air is so, it's cool actually. I feel like I might need something on, but probably won't really. But it just feels so fresh. And anyway, quite a way down there is the house where we stayed. So I'm going to show you some footage of that when we was there before, and I'm also going to show you it now, if we can make it there. It's quite far. Ooh, that's very buzzy with electric. That lovely trip. Oh, it's time to go home, crack on and do some stuff. How are you feeling about that?
Yeah, good. I think it'll be good to get in a bit of a routine and sort things out and check off a load of the to-do list.
Let's get it done.